Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing how to make this space robot named Van, and he is the protector of BT21. So for the head, we're going to take a ball of gray clay and cut it in half, and we're doing the same thing with a ball of white clay as well. And we are going to put the two halves together and carefully roll it between our fingers so the colors actually blend together, but make sure you do it slowly so the colors stay a nice consistent line. Next, we're going to slowly pinch off a little point in the middle of the gray and white line. Make sure you also do this carefully so the halves of the two colors stay separate and not blended. And you want to make sure it's a nice point. And once the point is made, slowly form the head back into a circle. Next, taking the cylinders as bodies, we are cutting it into two halves, the gray and white half. And once we put the two halves of the cylinders together, we're going to roll the cylinder so the two halves are nicely blended. And we are cutting off a small little nub. And we're going to add that body onto the head and make sure that the two colors are nicely aligned. For the arms and legs, we're taking some gray and white clay and rolling to small cylinders and cutting off little nubs and attaching the two nubs on the bottom of the body for the legs. And two little nubs cut at a slant for the arms. So Van has an interesting face. He has an X on the gray side. And an O on the white side. And finally, a plain line for the mouth. And once you have that, you want to bake according to instructions. And this is my completed Van figure, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a little bit difficult with this character because having a nice white and gray division is a little bit difficult to achieve, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless, and don't forget to check out my other videos that'll be coming out in the series, as well as the ones that have already come out. Thank you!